Welcome to another video brought to you by Mohamed Marzooqi, Advocates and Consultancy. In today's video we'll be talking about car accident injuries. Choosing the right lawyer for legal help after someone has caused you a car accident can feel overwhelming. A quick Google search pulls up over 100,000 results in the United Arab Emirates, and the lawyers sound good online or in their commercials. So how do you decide? However, making this choice need not add to your stress. You are dealing with the painful physical effects of the crash and the emotional frustration of it being someone else's fault, and struggling to figure out how you're going to pay for the car repairs and medical bills. You may even be looking at an extended period of time missing work, which means loss of wages. Among all these hardships, when deciding who should represent you, it's okay to keep it simple. You may want an attorney who is highly experienced and knowledgeable, effective at getting your compensation you deserve, compassionate and accessible. All of life complications and stresses that follow a car collision can overwhelm you. You can at least keep your legal choice relatively simple. We have the expertise and knowledge and effectiveness to get your financial compensation you deserve, as well as the compassion and accessibility to help you through the process. It is worth noting that the vast majority of car accident legal cases consist of two major parts: getting the compensation for injuries and then dealing with the insurance companies. So let's look at this more closely. Most of the minor and serious injuries require immediate medical treatment. Even if a passenger or driver feels fine right after the car crash, it's still a good idea to consult with a medical profession without delay. This is because in a car accident, injuries may not be felt straight away, and it could take a few hours or possibly the next day before the effects of the crash are felt. Getting checked out by a physician after such an incident will also help with the legal process by starting a paper trail of injury documentation. Most of these injuries can cost a lot to treat. These expenses include multiple doctor visits or hospital stays, physical therapy sessions, and sometimes treatment for post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. It all ends up taking up a large chunk out of your personal or family savings. When you're a victim of someone else's negligence, we will take action on your behalf to recover these costs, along with the lost wages from your missed work and other related expenses. We are well aware that car collisions can happen at any time of the day, any day of the week. And once you've contacted us, we'll get right to work as your auto injury attorney so that you can get the compensation you need as soon as possible. We will consider the potential liability of every party related to the accident, including the city and the county, who are responsible for the road construction and maintenance. To link the crash to specific injuries, we examine every detail of the car accident injury reports. Then, representing you as your lawyer, we interview drivers, passengers and witnesses under oath. We collect every last detail necessary and will compile this for the jury as accurately as possible to be a compelling case. We know that a lot of pain and trauma can result from car crashes. We have represented numerous clients who have faced recovery periods lasting many months or years. A number of them, like those who have experienced amputation, have lifelong injuries. If you've been hurt in an auto collision, we will represent you with excellence while seeking compensation that you need from those responsible for your accident. As we discussed earlier, life becomes complicated and challenging in many ways after an accident. Dealing with the insurance companies can greatly add to the stress. As an auto insurance lawyer, we can definitely assist you. Ideally, we would like all parties involved in a crash and all of their insurance companies involved cooperating. Yet even then, you may have to wait for some of your medical claims to be processed, meaning you'll have to cut back on other spending until your reimbursement check arrives. We will ensure that the insurance companies are handling your claims in a timely manner, because these companies are typically for-profit businesses. They may attempt to minimize the payouts and are known to resist offering fair compensation. It may be the at-fault party's insurer or even your own that is failing to give you fair compensation. So, if you want an attorney who is tough and effective in court, accessible, sympathetic and compassionate towards you and your situation, extremely knowledgeable and experienced in auto collision cases, if that's what you want, Mohamed Marzooqi Advocates and Consultancy is the correct choice. We have proven to numerous clients that we are the right choice. We welcome the opportunity to be your auto accident lawyer, so please contact us as soon as possible before the accident evidence disappears. For a consultation, please call us 24/7 at +971 2658 4004.